and welcome back to my channel. My name is Erica and I'm so excited today because we are going to be doing an unboxing, but this one's a little bit different. I just got my very first drum carder. This one's a Brothers standard drum carder and I have been wanting a drum carder for a very long time now, pretty much ever since I started spinning. If you don't know what a drum carder is, I will tell you all about it in just a few minutes. I will also put a link on where you can get the Brother drum carders in the description box below this video, so just make sure to click that show more link down there. Let's go ahead and dive right in. I'll show you everything that comes with it. So it came in this giant box, and then this one is the standard drum carder. So let's just take a look and see what all comes inside of this guy. All right, first we have our info cards, instruction manual. I'm gonna keep that very handy. I also opted to get the accessories that came with it as well, so I will cover everything that comes with it. A little bit closer here. There she is. Isn't she beautiful? Let's take her out of the box. So let's go ahead and talk about this machine because there's probably a lot of you who follow me who have no idea what this is or why I would even want it. So let's cover the basics of drum carding. So drum carding is basically another way to prepare fibers in order to be able to spin them. So you guys have all probably seen my spinning videos, or if you follow me on my crafting podcast, you've seen that. And that is where I'm spinning my own yarn out of prepared fibers that I usually buy hand-dyed fibers from various artists. As a spinner, I really wanted to be able to create my own unique, fun, colorful bats to be able to spin from, and this is how you do it. So you can take fiber that is directly from an animal. You're going to want to wash it and clean it really good and get all the vegetable matter out of it. So it kind of comes all sort of tangled up and fibers are all going in different directions, and so you fluff it up, put it in on this side, rotate this handle here, and it will come onto this and gets basically combed. So it's kind of like when your hair gets really tangled and you have to brush it and then it's all nice and pretty and all your hair is going the same way. Drum carders basically do that for your fiber. Then it has this band on this side which helps spin the drum carder, and it makes it really nice and quiet. So this is about how loud it is, and really what you can hear is the liquor brush hitting the drum carder. Then you can also hear this brush up here hitting the drum carder, but for the most part, super easy. They also have lots of instructions on how to use this, how to clean it, and everything on their website as well, and it did come in that little manual. So definitely check it out. They also have kind of an instructional video on how to use it on their website. And if I were you, I would go ahead and start searching on social media for drum cards and art bats and things like that, and you'll get lots of fun, pretty pictures of what I plan to do with this machine. So that's basically what a drum carder does. Let's talk about this particular one. Let me see if I can get it all on frame here. So this one is, like I said, the Brother drum carder. This is a company that was created by two brothers, John and Gabriel, and they started making the drum carders for their families, but then quickly it grew into a business. They are US based, but now you can get these drum carders worldwide. One of the reasons that I went with the Brother drum carders was not only because they got excellent reviews, they looked like really nice, sturdy products, but they also had a great price point. A lot of weaving and spinning and fiber tools can be kind of pricey, and these guys were definitely more in my budget. And so I definitely was looking hard at these. So I looked at a lot of reviews, I did a lot of research, and they got excellent reviews. Not to mention that I have actually talked to them, and they are the nicest guys and super friendly. So I always love supporting small businesses whenever I can, so I'm really excited to be able to have this particular drum carder. They have a bunch of different carders on their website. They have several different purchasing options. You can get the carder all by itself. You can get the carder with the supplies. You can get different sizes. They have motorized. They have a variety of different carders for you to look at on their website. So I highly encourage you to check out their site if you're interested. I will make sure, like I mentioned, to put a link below this video where you can get more information on these. I went ahead and got the one with the accessories pack. So that accessories pack includes this brush. And by the way, you can also purchase these accessories separately as well. But it includes this brush, which you can adjust with these little knobs, take it on and off, so that it's, you know, kind of out of your way when you're removing your fibers, and then it's down when it's packing your fibers on for you. What the brush does is help push the fibers down into the tines as you're carding them onto the drum. If you don't want to purchase this one, I've also seen people use boar's head bristle brush and just kind of manually brush the fibers on. I've even seen people use a paintbrush. I'm not sure how well that works, but I've seen it done. The other thing that comes in their accessories kit is this little guy right here. This is a small flicker brush, and that is to help clean out your small liquor in bristles right here. They also have a larger one which helps clean off this bigger drum back here. It also comes with a clamp to clamp it onto the table so that it's not moving around on you. However, and I would think that's kind of necessary, but when I got this, it actually comes with these plastic or rubbery feet on the bottoms of the drum carder. So as you can see, I'm kind of trying to move it around on my table, and while it does move some, it really doesn't want to move that much. Like, I'm really putting some decent pressure on it. My table's moving before my drum carder is. So I'll probably still use this. I might try it with and without just to kind of test it out, but it's pretty sturdy on its own. And then the last accessory that it comes with is this doffer. And basically what this is a nice sturdy metal rod with a handle, and that is to help you pull the fibers apart. Once you have them all on your drum, you break them apart using this, and then you can pull them off of your drum. Now, in replace of this, I have seen people use knitting needles. I'm not sure, I'm assuming it would work okay, but I would definitely recommend using a knitting needle if you don't care about a whole lot. This fiber can be really strong when you're trying to pull it apart, especially if it's several layers thick. And so since knitting needles are typically like either wood or like maybe a hollow aluminum, I would think it'd be pretty easy to break or bend one. So maybe just use a knitting needle you don't care about. That'd be my main tip there, but I'm happy to have this accessory pack. So here's basically everything that came with my standard drum carder, all the accessories, the carder, and what it does. And before I let you go today, I just wanted to talk about all of your scraps. So if you're at all interested in getting a drum carder, I highly suggest that you start saving all of your little scraps. These are random strings and just yarns that I've collected from some of my most recent spins. I've just got some leftover fibers in here, and then I have a couple of little sample packs that came to me with some of my other fiber orders. I have some fun, colorful hand-dyed locks. Any of these fun little bits and bobs you're going to want to save. And then I also wanted to kind of show you these. These are fun little fiber packs from Classy Squid Fiber Co. And they're just kind of like the sprinkles on top of the cupcake. You'll want some kind of base fiber to play with, but these are really fun little add-ons that you can do to kind of bring a little bit of life and pizzazz to your art bats. So moving forward, if you're at all interested in this, I highly recommend that you keep some of your extra little things that you might just normally throw away, because those are going to become an integral part in all of our new fun bats. So I'm really looking forward to spinning up some really fun art bats, so stay tuned for those videos coming soon. I'll show you all about this drum carder, how to use it, and some of the really cool things that you can make with it. Alright guys, that is it for my drum carder unboxing. I'm so excited to start using this guy. I have been wanting one forever, and I think it's just a natural progression when you become a spinner that you want to start making your own fun, colorful bats to spin as well. So stay tuned, because there will be more videos coming showing you how to use the drum carder and kind of different fun things that you can make with it, different color combinations, how to spin art bats and smooth bats and all that kind of fun stuff will be coming soon. So if you like this video, please make sure to thumbs up and hit the like button. That definitely helps me out, lets me know that you like these videos, and I will keep making them for you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I will see you next time. So this one kind of, so you push your fiber in on this side, it rolls through and then comes out on, Jaxie, no, it's basically combed. Kind of like if you have tangled hair. Okay, Jax, you're so not helpful. What's the word I'm looking for? Tangled? Liquor? Yes. Pardon me, kitty. Thank you. Go away. You can see Jax's new favorite toy has arrived. Brush tines up, or what are these called? I don't know. I've got some leftover fiber. Jax, can you get out of the way, buddy? Okay. Maybe right here would be okay, right there. Okay. Okay.